Assalamu alaikum Morokistan family. Today we are making a quick and absolutely delicious walnut and mint sauce. Let's get started. In a blender, add half cup of walnut kernels, 1 garlic clove, 2 green chilies, 1/4 cup of mint leaves, half teaspoon of salt and 1/3 cup of water. Blend until smooth. Quick reminder, if you have not subscribed to Morokistan Kitchen yet, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you will not miss any future update. And there you go, your sauce is ready. Enjoy it with your favorite fried snack or rice dish. Happy cooking and see you next time.